Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to download and install Chase Bank application on your device. For that, first of all, open App Store on your device. Then tap on the searching gear icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Now on the top you will see searching bar. There search for Chase Bank. Find the app labeled with Chase Mobile US and go through it. There you will see Get button. Tap on that to download your application. It may take some time depending on your internet connection speed. Once the application is downloaded or installed in your device, there you will see Open button. Simply tap on the Open button to launch the application on your device. And that was it. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.